Wow, you guys, that is sweat.
That's it.
I don't think I've wet myself. I think it is just fine. Is this what people are tuning in for?
Morning! This morning we are finally going on a cooking class with our friend Na, who we met through she and her husband's street food tours. We have a video on that. But anyway, before we get started on the cooking class, we came to have one of Hoi An's famous noodle dishes, Mi Wang, at the restaurant of a woman that Na and we met through Na's kids group. So she was at our house the other night when we had a little pool party on Sunday, and it is delicious. Mom had like the traditional pork and shrimp one. We all had catfish. So good. And now we're gonna go to a market, I think. Ace's friend showed up and we lost him, so we should probably find him before we go to the market. Oh, found him. Thank you.
Bye, bye.
Take a look in my eyes. Take a look, take a glimpse of my mind. Take the hook, feel it on your heartstrings. Feel the pull, know what's on this starting. Take a grip.
Made it to Hoi An Central Market and Na's going to show us around.
Alright, let's come inside please.
You first walk through the market, there's all these little stalls and they're like lunch ladies, she was saying, and you can show up and they give you rice and soup for free and then you pick 2 meats and a vegetable. So kind of like a Vietnamese style meat and three is what we call them in the southern part of the United States.
This store, she is famous for breakfast. She also sells kimchi and chicken rice. Now we are having some cake, and this is a little snack for us. So usually that we wrap outside by banana leaf and steam it up. It has a shape like this. So this is same, different inside. It's always a mystery. We don't know what color inside looks like.
You don't know.
You have to check it out. And yeah, this one is with rice, flour, and bò bánh này bánh cay không bò? Yeah. So this is with mung bean and a little bit salty. It's not yet.
We had the most amazing papaya salad with pig skin on our street food tour in Hoi An, and apparently that's the lady that the vendor bought it from.
Actually, we make the crackling, the skin. She will sell them for the pig skin salad lady. Hey yo!
Whoa! You want to offload them?
Very smart.
Take a look in my eyes. Smoke and looking at
Okay, so to pick the good shrimp, you have to look at the color. If it looks clear and no pink color in the head, it means that the good shrimp. That you are to keep it fresh because this is open air market. And yeah, with this heat, don't drink this water, okay?
This kid loves a fish market.
I mean, you can't get him out of it.
So they use the banana string here and tie them because they don't want it bite you. They can stay alive like this for 1 week without eating. They have to be watering. Grab it. Sợ vậy? What is that crab doing?
Do you know what this reminds me of? Fish market that we visited in Busan. We have a great video on it. Check it out.
It's not as clean as Busan, is it?
Help me, 1 ký thôi chị. More. Hurry up. Good, Hazy.
What did you just buy?
I wish you caught my real reaction to this because I saw some passion fruit, which is like my favorite fruit ever, and I asked Na if I could buy some. This bag, 25,000 dong, like $1. That's insane.
Yeah.
Steph, are you happy with your
That's like teary. I'm so excited. I can't believe we're leaving in a few days and I just learned that this much passion fruit is $1.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Who was that, Steph?
was the lady that served us the biggest snails I've ever seen on our street food tour.
And amazing grilled squid.
Octopus.
Okay, and here this is goose egg. Oh, goose egg. It looks similar to duck egg, a little bit bigger, but the price is crazy. This is 4,000 dong for one. This is 50,000 dong, so 10 times. It's very rarely to have egg for goose, that's why it's more expensive. And we often serve this one for pregnant lady to wish her a good luck for the whole time she's pregnant. Hồi nãy cua theo giúp cầm mà nhiều quá giúp cầm. Rồi cho cầm cái, cho đã chứ.
What is it?
Hey, look. You gonna put it in the bag? Job.
Chứ ông thấy gì ông cũng bóc hết trơn đã chứ. Thank you, yay!
Did you say thank you? Did you say? Okay, you know it's a good market tour when your shirt is completely covered in sweat.
We don't have name in English, so I just translate Vietnamese into English. Bong bong, B-O-N, bong bong fruit. Yeah, so you might have rambutan, lychee, and longan, but this one is not popular. So today I'm gonna buy this one for your dessert.
Hayes, I have a question for you. Do you think you look like Elton John with your sunglasses on? Can you feel the love tonight? Oh, can you feel the love tonight? Oh. Wait, are you still talking about those passion fruit? Wait, what were you saying about those passion fruit? How much were they and how many did you get?
I guess a kilo for 25,000 dong, which is $1.
Is that
we've been traveling for 10 months, but we're not cooking that much and shopping. Why haven't I been buying passion fruit for a month?
is that the best purchase you've made this year? Since we've been traveling?
Yeah, I mean, it's up there.
What'd you say?
I had a riding bulldozer.
Did you say thanks for now?
It's an excavator.
We finished at the market and now we're in Na's neighborhood and I think we're going gardening.
That's right, we're going to walk to the garden, do some farming work.
She wants you to do some weeding.
Oh, you're good at that, aren't you?
Yeah, not now.
Super duper duper hot today, so Hayes and my mom are staying inside reading some books and playing with Na's and Chun's toys.
If you are looking for Hayes to be in this video, you might want to fast forward the gardening exercise because he's not here.
Do you know what? I've actually always wanted to wear one of these hats.
You've worn it a few times the last few weeks. They're so practical though,
Yeah,
right?
they're great.
I always thought people just looked like silly tourists, but in actuality, there's a reason everybody's wearing these, and they are wearing them. It's not just, it's practical, of course. I've got full 360-degree shade right now, which is great because I left my sunglasses on the cruise in Halong Bay.
My sweat level of the shirt is gone down.
Has it?
Because I'm more covered.
Oh.
On, up, down, and down. Bow your knee, yeah.
They're impressed.
Yay!
So at Market Basil today, this town here, to harvest the seafood.
Worried Dad's gonna pass out. She said that this lady's 64 and she's been doing this since she was 16.
Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Talk us through this.
I'm bringing sweaty there.
This is actually incredible. Wow, you guys, that is sweat. That is sweat. That's not water.
When you're doing the gardening,
That
you
is-
work up a sweat. Well, I didn't
Well, we
pull
walked
the
through
watering
those.
pan on me.
You can squeeze it.
That is crazy.
Yeah, take it out.
Don't not inside that.
Is this the hottest day since we've been traveling?
I think so.
The hottest you've been?
But absolutely would not change anything.
Yeah.
It's fantastic.
This is proof of how great Na is in these tours because otherwise I would not voluntarily be doing this right now.
Okay, so the ingredient for the fish, we have lemongrass, we have the spring onion white part, the root only, and then we have fresh turmeric, and then we have shallot, and we have chili.
Is that where that water is supposed to go, Hayes? Oh, really?
And then for the chicken, we have the same. We have lemongrass, the spring onion white part, lemon leaf, chili, and shallot. Put lie down.
Oh, and they stay on the whole.
I'm making spring rolls and I'm making the sauce for them. 3 and 4.
So the way to make this one, they will mix the rice flour, then they have a can of beer. They will make a lot of cold water. They put the rice milk in with a hot pan and go like this. All around, and then they create
Praise
it.
that.
Yeah, it's have like flour and milk. Oh, look at that! Whoa, perfect.
Oh.
I mean your finger, not my finger.
My finger is a little bit longer.
Okay.
Ooh la la. Look at that.
Kind of back about 50%. 50, okay? Angle. There you go. And then shake it up. Step back, please.
Okay.
Angle. Shake it up. There you go.
I didn't want you standing there.
But you have to control the flame. Okay.
And again.
Angle, angle, again. Angle. Shake it, shake it, shake it. There you go, there you go. Look at the smoke. Yeah, there you go.
One ladle.
One ladle. Put it on around. Turn your pan. Good. Keep going, keep going.
Oh.
Move your body. There you go. There you go. It starts to come off.
Gone from midriff sweat to some crotch sweat. It's so hot today. But look at this beautiful meal we're having on the river. So Na lives over there, and that's where you do your cooking classes. And then the house backs up onto this beautiful river where you
Creek.
can eat.
This is like a crick, isn't it?
Grick.
I don't think it's. I don't think I've wet myself. I think it is just wet. Is this what people are tuning in for?
You just like pour the sauce on top. It depends on you.
Next course, this is the mackerel that we made that's been cooked in a banana leaf. I think with some rice as well.
It's the barbecue chicken and then some soup that we didn't make. That's a wrap. that was really fun. Did you guys have fun?
Awesome.
Really fun, really hot, but really wonderful. If you're in Hoi An, I don't know how many people are watching these period or actually planning to come to Hoi An, but if you're here, you absolutely need to contact Na and her husband Food. We went on the first day we got here, and I can't imagine what this month would have been like if we hadn't. It's been so wonderful, and that was really lovely.
Thank you, Na. Thank you, Fu. And thank you, Chun.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, all the things, comment down below. Tell us what your favorite Vietnamese food is. Is it nap time? Yeah.